How to log out of TikTok. So basically, if you want to log out of TikTok, it is very simple to do so. Open up the TikTok application, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, you can currently see that I'm currently logged into my account. So as I'm logged into my account, right, and then you want to go ahead and then log out of it, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then simply go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you'll see a couple of options, but all you have to do is simply scroll all the way to the very bottom, and there you'll find the option called logout. Now if you don't want to log out, you just want to switch the account only, you can add another account without logging out completely. But if you want to log out completely, then you can tap on logout option. It will ask you want to log out, then yes, you can tap the logout button to do so, and this way you will be able to go ahead and then log out of TikTok account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.